Today, we have an exciting story showcasing cryptocurrency's growing acceptance in everyday transactions. Meet a savvy Solana investor and entrepreneur who just made headlines by purchasing a Lamborghini using Solana. This isn't just any Lamborghini. Our entrepreneur has chosen the Aventador Montgomery Edition, one of only two in the world, priced at an impressive $615,000. But what makes this purchase truly remarkable is the method of payment: Solana. Yesterday, he visited the dealership to select his dream car, but he kept his payment method a secret. Today, he's ready to reveal his plan to pay with cryptocurrency. This purchase marks a significant milestone in the integration of cryptocurrency into mainstream commerce. As more businesses begin to accept digital currencies, we may see more entrepreneurs making similar moves. What do you think about buying luxury items with crypto? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting stories from the world of cryptocurrency.